you get me on the video. Get out of here. Oh, wait a minute, you're gonna hit his head. Oh, God.
Did it hit?
You want to give me a heart attack, Ryan. Be careful of that chandelier. Please.
Oh, you silly goose.
Do something else to make him laugh, babe. Yes, you
Do something to
can.
make me laugh. I need to laugh too.
All right, Gary. We're going to throw you up in the air. Ready?
Oh, yeah. I think I'll hurl.
Lucas, can you say yes? Can you say yes?
Bubba, where's your socks?
Can you say socks?
Say socks.
No, he likes saying cocks.
Gary, that's so crude.
Virgin ears here. Hey, you want to see your car? Valentine's Day, 2015 car. Got it?
Yep.
You're unbelievable.
Luke's head is like right underneath the car. Very nice.
Ooh, nice flowers, huh?
Yeah. Woodlawn Forest. Florist, not forest.
Oh, is that the one I hear on Pontiac?